Alright, today I'm going to be installing a Cobb V3 accessport to my 2002 WRX. So first things first, before you even plug the accessport in, it comes with one of these, and I'll show you where to plug that in a second. So first things first, you're going to want to plug these two in together. After you get these green wires plugged in together, you're going to want to take this piece and plug it into this clear one that will be right next to them. This is under the steering column, by the way. And next, after you get these plugged in, your car will be in test mode, and that's when you're ready to plug the accessport into the OBD2. Your check engine light will be flashing. Don't be worried about that. Now that it's plugged in, continue. Confirm it's your car. And now this is where you pick a tune. I'm gonna go with stage 1 on 91. Continue. Turn off headlights. Well, you don't have to, but it's recommended. And that is what we have already done. Now that you have continued, turn the key in the off position. Continue. Messed up there. Off, on. And now after you've completed all these steps, you just have to wait for the install for it to get married to your car. And now down below, you have to disconnect that cable that we have just plugged in. Once you do those, you'll be asked to disconnect the green connectors, so do those next. And then continue. Turn the key to the on position. Turn it off for at least 15 seconds. And now once it's set up, a little dirty, we're lowering. You have a bunch of different modes you can use. Uninstall, tune. Here you can change your tunes, and you can also do adjustments like your timing. And this is where you can also set your launch control. This is at 2K right now, I was just trying it out. We can set it to 4500. It's set, so all you do is literally just rev it up. So that's quite cool. You can go out, change all your maps or whatever. Troubleshooting, you can scan codes, erase codes, whatever, scan everything. Performance, you can calculate your 0 to 60 and your quarter mile. Never launch a stock high speed though. Gauges, I still need to mess around with the gauges, but right now the main one I have is boost, throttle position, fuel level. You can click on one. You can change how many you want to display, and you can have a lot of different ones, and all you do is just find one. Wastegate max, warm up, boom, right there. Simple. Go out. And that's pretty much everything. You can also set up flat foot shifting. I haven't done that yet. I need to figure out how to do that. But yeah, you can read codes. I don't have any right now, so nothing's gonna show up. But yeah, no codes are found. Everything's good. But yeah, definitely pick up an accessport. It is 100% worth it. I got this one for a good deal on Marketplace. Still need to get a mount for it. I want to get the vent mount where it just sits up here. The wire runs down, all hidden. Also, when you park, if you have an accessport, move it, put it under your seat, put it down here, or take it with you, because these things will get stolen out of your car. Yeah, that's it for the accessport. Go get one.